The price of Meta increased extremely to the upside, but can we continue this bullish momentum? Or do we see a move to lower levels again? You're on the channel Successful Trading and I help you to make maximum profits at the markets. So let's go straight into the content. So Meta is looking extremely bullish right now. After we built the last all-time high here in 2021, we then saw the strong crash to lower levels. From the top to the bottom, we saw a move about 76%, which is really crazy for a big stock like Meta. We saw the bottom at $88 here in 2022. And then we started this bullish move to the upside. We took out this last highs right here, which caused this lows. And especially in the last weeks, we saw a strong increase and also broke the last all-time high. From the bottom to the top, we saw a move about 450%, which is really crazy for a stock, especially in this short period. But will we continue to go to the upside or do we see lower prices again? So Meta got really good earnings and numbers, better than expected. And that's of course very bullish for the future, for the long term. And because we had such good numbers, many people are longing here the market, especially retailers. And many retailers will also buy right at this price as Meta. But often when retailers are buying the market and many people are buying the market, then the chances high that we can see a move to the downside again. And of course, if we see a rally like this, the chance for a bigger retracement is there because the market can't just move to one direction. We also have to see pullbacks to the downside again. So as I said, I think for the long term, these are really good news, but for the short term, I expect lower prices again. If we also have a look at the AD indicator, which are not many people using, we can see that we have a slightly higher high, but we right now saw this extreme bullish move. And this indicator shows the price action x the volume. And if we see bullish moves like this, we also want to see very bullish moves on this indicator, because if we just see this small increase, the bullish power isn't that high. And if this indicator is also high, where are the bulls coming from? And if we have a look at the RSI, you can see that we are also overbought. Of course, this is not a direct short signal, but this indicator shows that the market is overbought right now and the chance for retracement in the near future is getting bigger. And if we have a look at the EMA, you can see that the price is way above it. And this is also an indicator that the price will decrease in the near future. Of course, the chance is also that we can see higher prices in the near future. But I say the chance for lower prices again is increasing right now. And if we are seeing lower prices again, then I would search for potential long areas. And the first really interesting area is this demand zone right here. Because at this demand zone, we saw this move to the upside. We made a higher high. We also broke the last all-time high from this demand zone. So the chance if we come back into this demand zone that we then continue the bullish momentum is very high. And if we're using the Fibonacci tool from the swing low to the swing high, you can see the 0.768 Fibonacci, and this Fibonacci level is nearly on the same place as this demand zone. So if we see lower prices again, then I think this area is a great chance to go into long positions on Meta. Of course, just if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame. And if you want to trade Meta with fiat money or cryptocurrencies, then you can use BingX. And if you use the link in the description to trade Meta, you can also get up to $5,150 bonus. So if you want to trade Meta, then feel free to use the link in the description. You can also support this channel with this link. So all in all, we saw the strong bullish move from Meta. The surprisingly good numbers and earnings pushed the market to the upside, and many retailers bought Meta right here and buying it right now. And I think it's very bullish for the long term. But on the mid and short term, I think the chance is higher that we can see a retracement from these levels. And if we see lower prices and if we see prices around $400, I would look for long entries right here. And if you want to get daily updates on stocks and the crypto market, then join my link in the description for my free Telegram group. I'm sharing there free daily updates and signals for stocks and cryptocurrencies. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.